Okay, ready? No, this is for the blooper part. 1, 2. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. And second of all, we have reached 400 subscribers. Yay! I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for subscribing, from liking, from following me on Instagram, and for entering the giveaway. I have chosen a winner. It is over on my Instagram stories, so go check it out. I wasn't sure of what video to post for my first video here on YouTube, but today I decided to do a 2019 vision board, because what better way to kick off the new year with something that you can see every single day to aspire your days as you go on through the year. Since this is a new year, I like to always set goals and standards for every single year. So we are going to be doing a vision board today, and if you don't know what that is, we'll get into that in the video. And also, I did make over my whole channel. As you saw by that intro, I did redo an intro, I did a new header, I have a new profile picture and a new end slate and new transitions and new social media thingies. So that is something that's going to be staying forever, because I was undecisive forever of like changing my header like every 2 months, changing my picture every 2 months, changing my social media's handles every 2 months. But this is for sure staying forever until I decide to change it. But without further ado, you already know the drill. Let's do 4 things before we get started. 1, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. Subscribe. We're at 400 now. Our next goal is to reach 500. 2, don't forget to follow me on my new and improved social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. 3, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be a part of the notification squad. And 4, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so we are at my desk. I pushed my desk forward and I laid out a plethora of goodies. We have a lot of things to put on the vision board. We have stickers, we have pictures, we have a book, we have newspaper. I cut out some letters. I just came from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Walgreens from getting all the stuff that before we get started, let's read what a vision board or a dream board is. So a dream board or a vision board is a collage of images, pictures, and affirmations of one's dreams and desires, designed to serve as a source of inspiration and motivation, and to use the law of attraction to attain goals. So basically what this is, it's just like whatever you have planned in your head for the year, but in like physically, instead of having what you want your goals for like the years mentally, you're gonna have this physically. You can do this in many different ways. You can do like a poster board, you can do just a piece of paper, you can even do it online and like do it all like pretty and creative in the board and then print it out. I actually went out and bought a picture frame that looks like this. I'm gonna be using this picture frame that I got at Michael's, and if you wanted to do a vision board, go to Michael's. Right now they have their picture frames for $8, and then I'm going to be getting a white piece of paper and I'm going to be laying everything on there, and I'm just going to take you guys through the process of me doing my vision board. I have it all planned out in my head, but I'm excited to see what it looks like physically, like on paper. So let me just show you what the thingies that I have so far. I have this sticker right here that says enjoy life, because this year I kind of want to enjoy life more. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just want to enjoy life, taking every moment and appreciate everything. I have letter stickers. I have a lot of letter stickers, as you can see right here. We have these stickers that I bought today of coffee. I have this cutout that says it's my, I don't know if you can see it, but it says it's my year. And then I have a camera because I want to post more on Instagram. And then I have my original quote from my aunt. It says giving up is not an option. And then I watched these YouTubers called Remy and Alicia. If you watch them, give it a thumbs up. And their word for the year is unstoppable, and they have like this podcast. You should go watch it. Pretty basic podcast in your local, wherever you listen to podcasts, but it's this word. It says unstoppable, and that's their word for the year, because they want to be unstoppable and you shouldn't have the limitations to anything. And then last but not least, for my pictures, I have YouTube, because I kind of want to get into the groove of more of YouTube, post more, and just do all that fun jazz. We have some more stickers here, just like some cute touches right here. I cut out from a newspaper, I cut out 3 words. I cut out thank you next, obviously, be healthy, and then work out, because this year, I tell myself this every single year, you need to lose. I did it last year, I did lose a lot of weight, but this year I want to set my mind into it and lose like, I don't want to lose like, I don't want to look like a freaking stick. I just want to be healthy and just like look in shape, because right now I am a little bit like, I'm like fat. That's the word. There's no other nice word for it. But yeah, I just want to lose weight and be healthy. So I have my white piece of paper right here, and then also for my background, I was originally gonna do like glitter because if you know me, glitter is my signature color. But I wanted my vision board to be really meaningful, so I actually put a lot of thought into this vision board because personally, I have never done a vision board before. So what I decided to do, I found this book. I'm gonna be real honest. I found it at the Dollar Tree, but I actually wanted to get a book, and I started reading the books, and I found this one that says, I should be dead. But I I was reading it, and it was like really like, it was like really deep, and I wanted the background to my vision board to be like a book theme, like put like different pages in the background, because if you follow me on Instagram, okay, I put it up. It says, today is the first blank page of a 365 page book. Write a good one. 2019 is going to be my year. So that's what I titled it, and that inspired the whole thing to be my vision board. So we're gonna be doing like the pages of the book in the background, and then I also had this planner from 2018, and it just had a lot of like motivational quotes, and I just cut all of those out too. This one, I like this one that says hello adventure, so I'm gonna be using that. I have these dividers that I don't need anymore. That's gonna be an option. And then again, more sticker letters. But we just have a plethora of things that I'm going to be using. So without further ado, let's cue some B-roll and let's put our 2019 vision board together. Cue the music and cue the B-roll.
Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee.
Alrighty, so after that B-roll, kind of low-key, we had to make a run to Walgreens because I forgot to print some pictures, but it's okay! So I kind of got like a little layout of what I want my little vision board to look like. So over here I have a little space that is like my little workout and like health journey. So I have like a person running. I have a little quote that says, I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than yesterday. I have a scale. I have a salad to like be healthy. And then I have this little thingy that it's like the sticky notes. And this year I kind of want to be, not that I wasn't productive last year, but I want to make sure that every single day I am productive. I don't want to be in my bed sleeping. Maybe I may be in my bed because I'm like editing a video, but I want to be as productive as I can every single day of 2019. Also at the top, the very important part that I put, it's gonna say it's my year, because I think 2019 is gonna be my year to just like where it's gonna be changed, and I think that a lot of things is going to happen in 2019. At the top, as you saw by the time lapse, I put hello 2019. I put be creative, be you. In the middle, I put hello adventure, and then over here towards the right, I put balance work and life, because I want to make sure I'm maintaining the balance for all three. I put giving up is not an option, unstoppable Bath and Body Works, because obviously that's where I work, but I also want to grow there, not only as an individual but as a sales associate. I want to like eventually get promoted, because I really have a passion for Bath and Body Works. I also put YouTube, a camera, because I want to get into more YouTube and make it more of a hobby. And yes, I'm in college, but I want to make sure I'm balancing. Like I have the balance, work and life. I want to make sure I balance my personal life, work, YouTube, and all that other shebang. So I'm going to move some things around, glue everything down, and then we're going to add the finishing touches with stickers and glitter and newspaper and do all that jazz. Let's cue some more B-roll. Let's probably change the song, and let's get this done.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Can I
Alrighty, so after literally 4 hours and after probably like 4 minutes or like 3 minutes of B-roll, we have finally finished my 2019 vision board. It turned out so amazing. I loved the way it came out. And now for the big reveal, this is how it came out.
I'ma ride it till it's over. I'ma ride it till it's over. I'ma ride it till it's over.
Okay, so let me kind of walk you through of everything that I have before we end the video. So at the top, obviously, it says Hello 2019. In the middle, I wanted the main focal point to say Hello Adventure because I think 2019 is going to be one heck of a ride. It's going to be one heck of an adventure. So I kind of wanted to be Hello Adventure with like all this craziness happening around. So right here at the top, it's my year. Like, yes, there's going to be more years coming up, but 2019 is going to be my year to change, for me to be unstoppable, and I just have a good feeling about 2019. We have make things happen. This year is my goal to be more productive every single day, to sleep satisfied. When I go to sleep, I want to be satisfied. So over here is kind of like my health and workout journey. So I have a scale, I have a salad, and I have this little quote that says, I might not be there yet, but I'm closer than yesterday. And it has like a little person running, and with newspaper, I just cut out be healthy, work out, and then of course our word of the year is unstoppable, so I put that down there. And also another quote of the year is giving up is not an option. It's something strong I had to learn. Towards the end of the year, my aunt is like a little preacher at her church, and she like threw me this message, and I was so shook, and I was just like, wow, like I needed to hear that. And then right here I have Instagram and then a camera, because like I said, I want to post more on Instagram and just be more active with my followers. And then leads to this picture where I have to balance. I have to find that balance between my personal life, YouTube, work, school, and then social media and all of that. And then at the bottom I put be creative, and then I have Bath and Body Works because like I said, I want to grow there as a person and I want to eventually move up positions. And I put going places and then left my heart, because both of these, they both relate to that. And then I put in go to glitter, I put enjoy life, because I think I need to enjoy life more and kind of take in more of everything that I have, like of the world, if that makes sense. And then I put oh, I didn't even mention where it says hello adventure. I put like these cute little stickers around like that are adventurous. So I put like a plane, a compass, I put explore, I put a map that says adventure, and where it says hello 2019 I put let's go, like hello 2019, let's go. And then I put be you, and then at the top I put the YouTube, because like I said, I want to be more active on my channel and find that balance. Balance is going to be the main thing for me. And then the top, of course, you already know it, I put thank you next. Yes, this is my vision board for 2019. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I put so much thought into making this vision board, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for reaching 400 subscribers, and I know we can reach 500 in just a couple of months or maybe in the next year. And let's see what 2019 has in store for all of us, because if I'm being honest, I think, like I said, 2019 is going to be my year, and I think I'm going to be unstoppable. Don't tell your dreams to people with small minds. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my new and improved social medias. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!